All right. Yes. Hello. How are you people? How are you, my beautiful people? Hope everyone is fine. Uh, Once again, welcome to Trending 256, our YouTube channel. Today, I have something very special for you guys. I'm going to today's video. I'm going to be unboxing. My new, as you can see, my new LP-E5 rechargeable battery for replacement for my second-hand Canon digital camera. Just to remind you, I bought this Canon camera EOS 500D second hand. I bought it. It's a used second hand camera. So when I bought it, it had some issues, like the battery was completely dead. The battery was completely dead, guys, and it even had no charger. So I had to buy a battery. This is the old battery. It's completely dead. I tried to recharge it, but it was not responding. So guys, this is the new one. So I had to buy a battery, and I also had to buy a universal charger. You can see it. I had to buy a universal charger. It's called Unipal Mini. You can charge all camera batteries. So I grabbed this one from the brand stores. Actually, to remind you, this video is not sponsored. I'm just sharing with you guys, but the video is not sponsored at all. So I grabbed this one from the brand stores, Abu Dhabi Mall. Also this battery, LP-E5 for Canon digital cameras, battery replacement. This one I bought it at 126 dirham, also from the brand stores, Abu Dhabi Mall. The universal charger, Unipal Mini Charger, I grabbed it from the brand stores at 83 dirhams. So guys, today I'm going to be, in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing these two items, and after unboxing them, we are going to test our battery. Our new battery in our second-hand Canon EOS 500. Like you can see it here, EOS 500. I bought this in second hand. So we shall be, after unboxing, we shall be testing whether the battery is working. Okay, so guys, without wasting time, let's dive into the unboxing straight away, guys. Okay, we shall start with our battery. Like you can see, our LPE battery is new. We are going to unwrap it and seal it here. So guys, if you're new on our channel, Trending 256, guys, if you're new here, it's your first time to be on our channel. See, this is our battery, guys, our new LPE5 battery. So I was saying, guys, if you're new on our channel, please kindly subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click the bell button so that every time we upload the latest video, you are notified and you'll be one of the first to see our latest content. So guys, we've already unboxed our battery, so now let's straight away insert our battery in the camera and we test whether the battery is working. This battery, actually I've not charged it, I've just got it from the store and I'm putting it straight away. I've not charged it guys, so let's see whether it will be able to open up, to switch on the camera even though we have not charged it guys, because sometimes, so we have inserted our battery. I've already inserted in our battery. So now we are going to switch on our camera. Yes! You see guys, it has worked. It's already on guys, like you can see. So our battery is okay. We shall need to set up our camera. So guys, the battery is okay. The camera is already switched on. So I'm going to charge. After I'll have to charge. I'll have to charge. You see, I'll have to charge fully this battery so that it can work very well. Like we always advised when you buy a new battery to charge it fully before you use it. So guys, you can see the battery has worked very well in our second-hand EOS Canon 500D camera. So guys, that's done. Now I can switch off. Let's switch off my battery then. Guys, the battery is finished. So let's unbox our Unipal Mini Universal Charger. I grabbed this one from the Grand Stores at W Mall at 83 dirhams, guys. So let's unbox it right away. For those actually who, thank you guys for always watching and supporting our channel. Especially you guys who started with us, guys, at the very beginning of this is the USB charger. This is the main socket. Guys, see it. It's higher. The brand is coming. So, this is our USB charger. I was saying, guys, thank you for always watching our videos and supporting. It's all because of you. Guys. This is our Unipal charger, guys. See it? So let's see how it works. Is that just the body here? Shall get our battery. Shall get our battery. have to adjust these terminals to where you have to adjust the terminals wherever our battery can fit. See guys, we're adjusting our terminals. So we've adjusted our battery. So now our battery is ready for charging. Our battery is ready for charging, guys. So guys, for today I think we shall stop from there, guys. Thank you for watching. For you guys who have not subscribed, please subscribe to our channel, Trending Part 256. Subscribe and support us. For those who have already subscribed to our channel, guys, thank you so much. You're such wonderful people. Thank you so much for supporting us always. Thank you so much for the love. Thank you so much. May God bless you all, guys. We shall stop from there for today. See you guys in our next video. Thank you so much. Bye. Don't forget to share our video. Don't forget to press the like button. Guys, see you in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.